Welcome back to the Lost Digit. Today I'm going to show you how I turned this into this. Now it was relatively simple. I'm just going to go through the process and show you what I did to turn the grill into a black grill. So what I do is I bought vinyl 3M kind of wrapping tape from Amazon, and what I did is I cut that and used it to cover all of the chrome bits of the main grill. So this is the tape here that I bought, and I'll put the link below if you want to check it out. First thing I did was to wet a microfiber towel and then make sure that I cleaned the grill really well, because you want it to stick. The next thing I did was I cut the tape into thinner pieces than the roll actually came, and then I just started cutting it into pieces after that and putting it straight onto the chrome pieces of the grill. So once I would do that, I would remove this protective cover from the top before I did the final shaping. So what I did here is I used a box cutter and I just cut along the line. So I used them to guide me, and it worked out pretty well. So I would just, after cutting, remove the excess tape and then push the rest either under or over into the lines. Whatever I could do to hide it or make it more secure. And it came with this tool, so I used the tool as well to try and smooth things out. So looking up close, very close, it doesn't look too great, but you know, as I started doing more and more and looking from a step back, it actually looks pretty good. So for these long ones down here, I would cut the tape into the width I needed, and then actually cut each piece of tape vertically into 4 pieces, so I'd get these long thin strips, so I could make the tape last longer, but also made it easier for me to push it in. The last thing I had to do was this thick piece around the outside of the grill, so I just had to line the tape up from the inside, and then on that outside piece I just used the knife to push in the excess tape, so I was able to push it all in, and it actually looked really clean in the very end. So this is what it looks like in the very end, and I think it came out pretty well. It took about 2.5 hours of work, but definitely worth it. You know, for $30 you can completely transform the look of your car, as you see here for my E-tron. So the reason I did this is because the G20 330 I have, I did a grill replacement and made that one all black as well, so I got rid of the chrome there. So, you know, to be cohesive, I had to do the same thing for this one. So now they both have black grills. And that's it. Thanks for checking it out, and good luck.